Hello, Churchgate, return. Dhanyavad. Okay, welcome back. I'm trying to show you a little bit how to use the train system here. Basically, that's the public transportation you have in Mumbai, the one that works at least. Didn't try any of the others, but this is the most popular one. So first thing, you get a ticket, like you just saw, and then you need to find your way. I'm doing this because not even with Google Maps I managed to do it. It's a specific thing you need to do. So first you need to know like your destination out of the 4 major ones. Basically that's the end lines. You need to know which direction you are going. I'm going south, so I need Churchgate, and then you see signs here, but these don't really help you at all. I've tried them, I went to the platforms and it didn't do anything. So you can't really count on it. The best way is to just ask someone which platform is for what, because they always come on the same way. It's pretty busy right now, so this is going to be an excruciating ride, but what can you do? Sorry, do you know Churchgate? Which platform?
Yeah, that platform. You make the bridge. On the right. Yeah.
Platform 3.
Platform 3 and 4. That one, the one that side. Oh, sorry, this one. Get off this bridge and stand on this side.
Yeah, so that's the 3.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
thank you very much. Okay, see, that's the easiest. Then the second thing you need to know is that there's 2 types of trains for each destination. There is the fast train and there is a slow train. Now the fast train stops only in major stops, and you can see those inside of the train where they are being shown as being the stops that stops. But most likely you will need the slow train because of smaller stops. So we need the 3rd platform now, and we need a slow train. You see? Let me see. Get a better glimpse. Sorry, does this go to Churchgate?
Churchgate is
okay, is that? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so you see, we were almost making a mistake because apparently also asking doesn't help that much. So we need to go this way. Because I saw Borivali, and Borivali is in the north. I think the train is going or stopping. Ah, fuck. It's okay, thank you. Sorry. Okay, at least we made it. Okay, so don't do that. Don't jump on a moving train. It's actually not that busy right now. I've seen it busier than this, but it's quite okay. Oh, there's classes, there's 2nd class and 1st class, but I don't know what that means. I just get on the first one I see, so. Because I don't know if I should buy a ticket for 1st class or not. Anyways. I need to get a breath of fresh air after that experience. I'll see you in a while. Sorry, do you know Borivali? Which platform?
Wait, I'll check.
Oh, you can check?
Yes.
Oh, so there's an app. How is it called?
Yes, this is the Borivali is full. You can download the app. Borivali, no?
Yeah, Borivali or Goregaon, either one to go few stations back because I took a fast train and I need a slow one.
Yes.
So now I need to go
Goregaon.
back. Yeah, either
You
one.
can stay off fast and slow. Borivali junction.
Yes.
Wait, Borivali. Where are
I
you
need
going
to
now?
go Junction Junction. Mahim Junction.
Mahim junction.
Yes. So I need a train to go back, but a slow one, because the fast one doesn't stop at Mahim
Yes,
Junction.
yes, yes.
So I think I need either Borivali, either Goregaon. Either one works.
Wait, huh? Rather to Mahim. Platform number 1. Come here.
Platform number 1. This app is much better than just.
Yes, and useful in a very Mumbai the local.
I didn't know. Yeah, I didn't know there is an app. I usually try to look at the signs, but they don't help much. Okay, cool. And that also tells you which train, slow, fast, everything. Yeah, that's very
That is a very mention, slow and fast train.
nice. Yeah, but if the app.
Slow train is a lot of take your stations. The fast trains are not one by one. Stay by only junction station take it.
Okay.
Fast train. Slow train is not take.
This is the first. I'm not trying to jump on the train again. Of course, it wasn't that fast the first time, but still very fast. Okay, so this is the first mistake you will make, 100%. Take a fast train instead of a slow train, and it's going to skip your track, your station. This is an adventure for sure. It's not very well made, I think, the public transportation, but they are building the metro. I don't know when they will finish. This is the toughest public transportation system I've used in the world. They've used in Cairo. So is this here? It's here? It's going to be here?
Me?
No, the train.
I didn't hear
It's this one, yeah? Okay.
Yes. It's coming.
It's coming. Let's hope it's this one. Because this puts a lot of... because we went really way far off, like a few kilometers just by one station. So this puts a lot of dead time. But the train seems to be coming now. I just hope it's this one. But for sure you will make the same mistake. I have done this a few times actually. And you can see on the front of the train, I'll show you.
You want to take this?
Take this?
Yes.
Okay. You can see, okay, it says Borivali and 12S, that's slow, yeah? Yeah. Slow train to Borivali, so it's good.
You also take a slow train,
Yeah.
not a fast.
The app was right.
Yes.
Hello. Okay, so I think we are on the right track. I don't think you can hear anything, but oh, the guy just helped me and he left. I don't think I thanked him. Did I? I will have to check. Okay. can see the next station on these small screens. It's also saying it on the speaker, but you see Matunga Road, which we passed on the way here, but it didn't stop because it was fast. Okay. Okay, so the next thing, keep an eye out is for exits, which are also not the best explained. So mostly I just use Google Maps and see the direction I'm looking, the direction I'm going. So right now I need to go this side, so I'm just crossing over. This is the only way you can cross. There's nothing else. Okay, so remember, number one, don't jump on a moving train. Even if it's not going as fast as you think it is, don't go. Especially with the camera on my hand, it was not very fun. I really slammed my shoulder and my left hand there on the door. Luckily the guys that were at the door helped me, because otherwise that would not have been fun. So second, just look what your end destination is, and of course know the stop that you need to get off at. Most of the times I just use the slow train. I just use the slow train because that one is for sure stopping at my station. So I just go with that one, even if it takes more time. Because as you can see, this small mistake cost me almost half an hour. Very simple mistake. But it cost me almost half an hour. So okay, and this is the end. We've made it to Mahim. See you later.